There we go. All right, everybody. So this is going to be our play-along video of I'll See You in My Dreams. From beginning to end, we're going super slow because we got a ton of chords and different elements to do. And stanza 2, I factored in a solo. And if you don't want to do a solo on the ukulele, hum the melody or hum something. Improvise the melody, experiment with that, because I'll tell you, jazz musicians, I've seen jazz musicians who they're doing a solo and they're humming at the same time. Have you seen that? And let our voices be our guide when we want to perhaps improvise not only vocally but maybe on the ukulele as well. So here's our tempo. And we worked on that opening lick, so see what you can do. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Though the days are long, a twilight sings a song of the happiness that used to be. Soon my eyes will close, soon I'll find repose, and in dreams you're always near to me. I'll see you in my dreams, hold you in my dreams. Someone took you out of my arms. Still I feel the thrill of your charms, lips that once were mine, tender eyes that shine, they will light my way tonight. I'll see you in my dreams. There's that lick. So let's hum. La la la, la 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 la. Someone took you out of my arms. Still I feel the thrill of your charms, lips that once were mine. see you in my dreams. They will light my way tonight. I'll see